This is the sound of ITV. Something a little less unexpected at number 2.
5, 4...
As our countdown continues with a children's classic.
2, 1... Thunderbirds are go.
This fab Super Marionation series, co-created by husband and wife team Jerry and Sylvia Anderson, flew onto our screens in 1965.
We were a group of people trying to make this into a big Hollywood movie. We had to have additional things because puppets don't have a personality to start with at all. So the music was very, very important.
Well, Brains, your phenomenal mind made all this possible. Now you're going to see it in operation.
As far as the march was concerned, we decided on that very early on, that with a very limited budget.
The job of scoring the Thunderbirds music fell to series composer Barry Gray, who created a huge military sound using a 30-piece orchestra.
I think our father was aware that Thunderbirds was something really special.
It gave him an opportunity to really get his teeth into something that he understood and loved.
International rescue from Thunderbird 1. ETA, London Airport, now 41 minutes.
He was in the studio till 1 or 2 in the morning and back in there again at 5 or 6, and that wouldn't be exaggerating,
No,
would it?
not at all. He was completely involved in it.
It's a wonderfully powerful theme, and it stays in people's minds.
International rescue. Can you hear us? Are you receiving our message?
FAB standing by.
Although the series ended in 1966, Thunderbirds was brought back to life in 2015.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1...
Relaunching its famous call to arms to a whole new generation.
We're obviously thrilled that they've retained some of that original theme and kept the flavour there.
We're very proud of our father and that he created such wonderful music that people have gone on loving.
I'll never, ever be any more proud of anything I've done or been involved in. And when I hear that music, I just think to myself, 50 years later, it works, doesn't it?